Welcome. In front of me is REALME 12x, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then somewhere here you want to swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a screen recorder one. For me it is visible on the second page, or you can see it right over here. Once you see yours, you can simply tap on it. First time around, it will bring up this window. It will ask for permission to record audio, and then brings up the panel right here. So the first button allows you to begin recording. Then the two next to that are just kind of like a one big panel or one big button. When you click on it, it just brings it up and gives you the two options separately, so you can record system sound and microphone, and you can toggle on whichever one you want or both of them, though if using both I would recommend using headphones, as this might record unwanted echo effect without the headphones. And the last one, obviously, a close button. So anyway, I'm going to begin recording now by clicking on the circle. And you can see it does give me a counter right here. This entire panel that is visible right here along with the timer is not going to show up on the screen recording whatsoever. And luckily we do have a garbage application that can showcase a unwanted feature on Android. So right now it's loading Netflix. You can see I am not signed in, and furthermore, whenever it shows up with any kind of garbage right here, okay, it's not showing up with any garbage other than the sign-in page. So yeah, I am not signed in, therefore I haven't agreed to the terms of service nor use to this garbage application. I am stressing this as this will be very annoying soon enough once I showcase this. So keep in mind, I have not given this application any permission to do anything apart from just installing it, which one could argue is not giving it permission. That would be not agreeing to the terms of service or use. So here you go, Netflix, that's what you deserve. And you'll see in a second why I'm being so harsh. And also to just kind of showcase this, I'm going to open up something like Photos as an example right here as a different application. And good enough. I'm going to close it, and now I'm going to just interact with this overlay, click on a check mark, and this will save the screen recording to my Photos application. So I can just actually open it back up. Now in here, I recommend navigating into the albums, and in albums you will find a videos album. I also want to check out the screenshots. So in screenshots and also videos you will find the screen recordings. Might be easier to locate it in screenshots, as it's going to be probably less for you to look through compared to the videos, which will have screen recordings along with any kind of video that you have downloaded or recorded yourself. And from here you can just tap on it to begin viewing it. Now what you're about to see is a feature of Android that is designed for privacy and security of the user. It is designed so if, for instance, you have some sensitive information like your bank application would have, then if you have some kind of malware, it wouldn't be able to see anything. Now, unfortunately, it's being used by shitty applications like Netflix right here, which I haven't given any permission to do anything on my device yet, and yet it's just kind of, going through it like it's their own device. So right now the application is open, and I'm just kind of most likely scrolling through it. It is still playing back, which you can see right here. Going back to what I was saying, the applications like bank apps are gonna utilize this feature, and that's positive, but the feature is designed for privacy and security of the user, and it ain't protecting my privacy or security in Netflix, as there's nothing to protect there. So the only thing that it's protecting is the corporate ass of the shitty suits, and I don't really care what the reason is. If it's done on my device, they can do it on theirs. And the reason I'm making this abundantly clear is because it's a feature of Android that we as users don't have the option to turn off. So if you're trying to record some kind of application, like I mentioned, like for instance Netflix, and you encountered this kind of screen blocking crap, there is nothing you can do to prevent it from happening. It's there and that's it. You basically just take it up and don't record the app. That's about as far as what you can do. The other alternative would be to grab another phone and record the screen by holding it like a typical boomer, but that is obviously defeating the purpose of screen recording. So yeah, I just kind of want to like drive it home. But for the most part, you will be able to record most applications. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.